for a new technique. Welcome, welcome, my crafty friends. I'm Dawn, creator of Dee Creates Crafts, and today's video is for you. I've got the cutest little technique I'm calling Score Decor. Are you ready to create some crafts? We have got the Score and Decor. Can you see it right there? It is so subtle, but it shows up on pretty cardstock, or you can also do it with the white. This is the paper I used. Now you can use this paper, as you can see, for fall, like I did with this one, or you can use it for Christmas, like we're going to do with today's gorgeous card. So, can we get started? Our first measurement is 11 by 4 1/4. You're gonna fold it in half or score it at 5 1/2. Your next layer is gonna be 5 by 3 3/4. Then measurements we all hate that we love, they are 4 7/8 by 3 5/8. Now, if you need it, you let me know. I have got a secret cheat sheet. It's a ruler with all the little odd type measurements we rarely use, but this stays on my craft table and it's my gift to you. If you want it, you just let me know and I'll email it right to you. So we're gonna put our base aside, and then we're going to, this is just such a sliver of a measurement, so hold yours up and make sure you get the smaller of the two. So let's put this one aside because this is the one we're going to decorate. You are gonna need a score board to do the Score Decor technique we were talking about. Now, if you've got one of these paper trimmers that also have a score blade, you can use this, but I've got to tell you, I've tried it 2-3 times. It doesn't work quite as well. Let's line it up. I'm gonna use number 6, and I'm gonna put a point at 5 and a point at 6. And then we're just gonna do increments at, you can either do at 1/8, you can do at 1/2, but we're just gonna go across the page like so. Let's do half. Am I doing half? There I go. And you're just gonna do like 6 or 7 of them. Here's what we're gonna do. You want a circle. You can either die cut a circle and glue your circle down. I punched mine out and added a 3 by 3 piece of designer series paper to the back. You want your hole to be about 2 inches. If you've got a punch, that is ideal. My punch is too big, so I had to die cut, but here's where the secret comes in. If you're gonna die cut, from experience, I'm gonna recommend that you die cut, then come back and do your scoring, because when we run it through the machine to die cut, it flattens these out. How do I know? Because I did it. Then that is your fun Score and Decor decoration. Now what we want to do is our decorating. So I came in and we stamped our friends. And if you've never colored before, blends, these are called blends. They come in sets of 2. I did the wreath. This is Pool Party. Color you want to use to color coordinate with your cardstock and with your designer series paper. Then you come in with your lighter color over the dark color, and look how it blends, yet it adds shading. Now I'm not doing the little dots because those I will color red, and in this case I did the Flirty Flamingo again so it would match the cardstock. Now I'm gonna leave my little bear white, but what I colored instead was Winka Stella, and I don't know if you can see, but it just adds a shimmer. Not a sparkle, not glitter, just a shimmer. Pool Party ribbon with pom-poms. Oh my stars, this is so stinking cute, and look how much you get. What? So that's why I added a bow, and then my little dots. I wanted them to look just like snow. You know, to add with your decorations, you want to add 1, 3, 5. Always odd numbers. It is time to adhere that flat. I'm going to go ahead and use some glue. You can use your tape runner. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere this down flat. I did pop up with Dimensionals, our polar bear. What are we going to name our polar bear? Tell me in the comment section below, what are we going to name him? That's what I want you to tell me. And do you want a PDF of this card? All you have to do is tell me you want the PDF, follow Dee Creates Crafts, and I will email it to you. All right, I'm getting my little dimensionals because this we are popping up, and it's the final layer All right, our dimensionals are on. It's time to line it up. Make sure you have your top and bottom, know the direction you're going, and line her up. And you are complete. How stinking cute is this card? Do you love the technique, the score and decor? Let me show you some other samples I made. Look, you could do the diagonals, make almost like a garden fence. You can go just up and down, top and bottom. You can do both, top and bottom and back and forth. How pretty is that? So this is just the cutest, most versatile technique. And then you can see it on color versus on white. Isn't it incredible how different our cards look on different color cardstock with different color designer series paper with a different color theme? What? You can stamp right on it. You can leave it empty, whatever you want in this whole wide world. Feel free to share this video with your friends so they can make one of these cards too. The other thing, are you having fun? Go like this, boop, hit the like button and let me know that you liked this video. Are you ready to remember the 3 things? I want you to go boop and hit the like button or the heart button and show me some love for this video. I want you to remember to tell your friends to watch Dee Dee Creates Crafts or share it to your own page if you like. And I want you to come back and watch a video with me again very, very soon. I hope you like this technique. I hope you'll let me know if you like it. And most of all, I want you to make it for yourself. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye now.